Hello everyone. Today, I want to talk about our journey as a species, and how it intertwines with the food we eat. For millennia, humanity relied on hunting and consuming animals to survive. It was a necessity dictated by the harsh realities of the times. But now, we stand at a pivotal moment in history where our past practices meet the future's possibilities. Let's think about it. With the incredible technological advances and the exponential growth of the human population, our old ways of sustenance are becoming increasingly unsustainable. It's time for us to evolve, to transcend the traditions that no longer serve us, and to embrace a new, more logical approach to our food systems. But why is this shift towards a plant-based diet often met with resistance? Why is there a systematic attack against veganism? The answers are complex, yet revealing. Powerful industries, rooted in animal agriculture, fear the change that veganism represents. Their profits are tied to outdated practices, and they lobby intensely to maintain the status quo. It's a classic case of fearing change and clinging to age-old ideas, even when they no longer fit our world. Many of us grew up hearing that a diet without animal products is deficient, that we need meat, dairy, and eggs to thrive. This narrative has been deeply ingrained in our collective psyche. But let's challenge this narrative. Let's question the status quo. Is it truly reflective of our capabilities and needs today, or is it a remnant of a bygone era? Science and experience have shown us that humans can live and thrive on a plant-based diet. It's not just about survival anymore, it's about flourishing in a way that respects our planet and its inhabitants. Yet, the fear of change, the apprehension of stepping into the unknown, holds many back. It's human nature to be wary of the new and unfamiliar. But remember, every significant progress in our history came from embracing change, not from fearing it. So, let's approach this subject with compassion and kindness, both towards ourselves and towards those who are hesitant. Change is never easy, but it is often necessary. A shift towards a plant-based diet is not just about personal health or ethical choices. It's about the propulsion of humanity into a future where sustainability is not just a buzzword, but a lived reality. I invite you to question your current diet. Ask yourself, is it in alignment with the world we aspire to create? A world where resources are used judiciously, where we coexist harmoniously with nature, and where compassion extends to all beings. Let this not be about guilt or judgment, but about inspiration and a collective journey towards a better future. A future where we look back and say, we made the right choice, not just for ourselves, but for our planet and future generations. Thank you for listening, and here's to our journey forward together.